What's up, guys? Today I am introducing you to my new pickup. So here she is. F250 that originally started its life as a gasser, but it is currently a 12-valve Cummins. The guy that I bought it from had that swap done. He paid to have it professionally done. So it's all done properly. Again, for all of you that don't know diesels that well, it's a 12-valve Cummins, which typically isn't a Dodge. Cummins is a separate company, but they've been supplying Dodge with their diesels for a very long time. Anyway, so this is a 12-valve Cummins in a Ford F250. Some people call them a Cummins. It has a 4.5-inch lift. I have some 35s on there right now, but I'm kind of thinking about changing those out, getting something like a different wheel setup that looks a little bit more aggressive, and just makes it stand out just a little bit more. So still looking for different wheels and tire setups, possibly even thinking about going 37s, because if I had a big enough offset, I could run 37s pretty easy. It rubs just a tiny bit right now, but it's just because I have such a shallow, or I don't have any offset on it basically. So anyway, thinking about doing that. I've been upgrading a lot of the lights to LED lights, so that way it just looks a little bit more modern, and just altogether it just looks like a better put together pickup, which it is. The guy that I bought it from had about 25,000 into it just in the motor swap. That's not including buying the pickup originally. I believe it's all original panels, original paint, with just one tiny little fender bender, which I think is the reason that he switched out the front bumper. I like that front bumper, but I do need to get it repowder coated. I also have some LED fog lights that I'm going to throw behind it, instead of the old halogen bulbs. And then I'm also doing LED lights on all the corners, and I'm also going to be doing dash LED light update. Let's see what else. That's about it for upgrades that I'm actually going to be doing. I don't think there's anything else. I mean, other than like little lights and stuff that I think would just kind of help it, because right now it's just plain stock. There's no other extra exterior lights. You know, it has a set of fog lights, and I threw on that light bar as well, which is just connected to the fog lights. So as far as updates, that's all I'm going to be doing to it, really. I'm just enjoying it. I've done an oil change to it about 500 miles ago. I'm going to be advertising it probably within the next 2 months for sale. It's a really nice pickup. I've enjoyed it, but you know, I like to rotate through things and enjoy it, and then get something different and enjoy that. So I've had my diesel fun. I've always wanted a diesel, and 12-valve is probably one of the best ones you can have, just because it's so bulletproof and they retain their value so well. The motor on it only has about 86,000 miles, so it's a super low mileage motor. The body itself has 118, which really isn't, you know, it's pretty low. And the guy went through the whole thing, beefed up the transmission so that it can handle the power, and he did a really good job. It has airbags in the back, so if you do start hauling heavier loads, you can actually haul it. But as far as that's all that's really been done to it. The whole interior is stock. I mean, besides the A-pillar and the head unit. A-pillar has some gauges that I'll show you here in a second. It's the trans temp, the pyro, and the boost. So nothing crazy, but you know, kind of necessary things to pay attention to. Really, the only wear on the pickup is like all the way around. Like, this is a 21-year-old pickup now, and the only wear is on the steering wheel. There's just a little worn spot. There's a couple little stains on the passenger side, a couple little burn marks in the seat, and then up on the hood there's a couple little dents, but really other than that there's nothing else that's wrong with it. I mean, 21 years old, that's pretty impressive, especially for, you know, a pickup. Like, these are meant to be used, and you know, I'm just super surprised about how well it's been maintained. I always take really good care of my stuff, but that's the main reason that I bought this, is because it was really well taken care of. You know, it's an older pickup, so you can probably hear that rattling. It's just, you know, plastic parts in the dash that, you know, fitment and stuff in 97 wasn't all the best, but it's held together, and I believe, oh, and then there is one tiny little scratch on the dash. Typically when you're running on the highway, just cruising, it'll stay at about 8 pounds of boost, but when you get on it at all, it really climbs, which is pretty cool. Like right now I'm climbing this hill, I was pushing about 25, and I had like quarter throttle on it. So I love boosted anything. Yeah, and I've really been enjoying this thing. So I'll show you some videos, maybe doing some pulls with it or something. It's not pushing crazy horsepower, especially for what these 12 valves can put out. As far as power upgrades, it's only got a couple things done to it. I believe it's a stock injectors. Has a Super B turbo on it, and it has a number 10 fuel plate and an aftermarket intake. So thanks for checking out my pickup. I'm excited to share it with you guys a little bit more, especially as I do a couple different things to it. So you guys can kind of see the progress, and I'll keep you up to date if I run into any problems or if I'm doing anything kind of cool. I'm excited to share this journey with you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.